The U.S. Space Agency's Mars Pathfinder spacecraft is dazzling scientists at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory with its latest photographs and geological data. The scientists say photographs beamed back to Earth show the Pathfinder landing site was hit by a catastrophic flood billions of years ago. This is the first detailed proof that Mars once had water. The boulders in this photograph are all leaning in the same direction, indicating a flow of water strong enough to stack the rocks against each other. The rover Sojourners spent Monday studying a lumpy rock, which was named Barnacle Bill, after a character in an American folk song. Scientists were surprised by the rock's composition, which seems to be volcanic and may have been pushed downstream during the ancient flood. They also believed the atmosphere was once as dense as the Earth's, but is now much thinner. Researchers are hoping to unlock the secrets of Mars as the rover continues to probe the dusty red Martian surface over the next few weeks. The Sojourner will venture farther away from the mother ship to study a larger rock named Yogi, after a bear in an American cartoon television series.
The Mars rover Sojourner ran into a small problem Thursday when it unexpectedly drove one of its wheels onto its target, a rock that scientists have named Yogi. The rover is driven by remote control from NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory in Pasadena, California. The driver on Earth, wearing three-dimensional goggles, guides the rover by sending commands for a whole day's maneuvering. In Thursday's mishap, the driver was off by 10 centimeters and sent the rover onto the rock. The Sojourner was able to stop itself with a protective mechanism that detects obstacles by projecting 5 laser beams ahead of its path. NASA officials must wait to see if new commands can successfully reposition the vehicle. Meanwhile, the Pathfinder spacecraft is still transmitting streams of pictures that NASA scientists have compiled to create a 360-degree panorama of the Martian landscape. They have pinpointed the landing site by using photographs taken by the Viking spacecraft in the late 1970s. The faint mountain peak on the horizon is almost 400 meters high. By observing the peak, which is 32 kilometers from the landing site, scientists will be able to track the haziness of the Martian atmosphere when the dust storms of autumn begin in the months ahead.